and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all super well. It is Sophie Hannah here and I am about to dye my hair again. So I had my roots freshly bleached yesterday, which will be a couple of days ago when this video goes live. And yeah, I mean, to be honest, I am actually loving this colour. I love it every time I get my roots done because the ends of my hair always tend to be some sort of stained bluey green colour. Honestly, I cannot get that colour out. There's always like a tint or yeah, it's just frustrating, but I do quite like it. However, I'm going to attempt to try and get rid of this kind of bluey end by trying to like neutralise my hair. And I've done a bit of research, I've had a lot of comments on Instagram, and I know that like pinks and peachy reddy tones will neutralise blue. So I know the last dye I did was a lilac-y kind of purple hair dye, and I'm going to do something very, very similar again. But this time I'm actually going to be creating my own pink. I'm going to make my own pink hair dye out of, I've got some conditioners, I have also got Colour Psycho Wild About Colour Semi-Permanent Hair Colour Cream in Wild Rouge, and I've also got the Fudge Professional Paint Box Pink Riot Semi-Permanent Colour. So I've got these two hair dyes that I'm going to be using, and then these two conditioners. I feel like I'm probably going to go for this conditioner though by Maria Neela, just because it will make my hair super soft. It's vegan, cruelty free, it's not got any like sulfates in it or anything like that, and it's got argan oil in it, so it restores, nourishes and softens brittle hair. So I feel like I'm going to focus on that because it'd be nice to kind of have a bit of a kind of treatment-y thing going on when I'm dyeing my hair. So yeah, I'm going to make my own dye. I'm going to put loads of conditioner in my pot first and then add the dyes so I can get the exact pink that I want. So obviously when I put pink over this, I'm going to end up with pink roots, hopefully, and then it will probably go a bit purpley over the blue. So I'm hoping I'm going to achieve a pink root blended into a purple. So yeah, fingers crossed it goes okay. Wish me luck. Let's get dyeing. So I've just mixed up my pink. Oh my god, it literally looks amazing. Looks like kind of looks like cake icing. Like it looks like I want to eat it. Obviously not gonna. Yeah, so I've mixed up my dye. Love the colour. And the great thing about using conditioner within hair dye is that the conditioner kind of stops the dye from attaching to your hair, kind of less than if you were to just use the actual semi-permanent dye on your hair. So the great thing about this is it's going to fade really quickly. I mean, I'm hoping it's going to neutralise this blue once it fades, and it will go a bit more of a grey colour on the ends, like grey silver. Fingers crossed, that's what I'm hoping for anyway. That is what I attempted last time when I tried the lilac-y purple dye, because I was kind of hoping that it was going to fade to like a grey silver, but it didn't. But yeah, we're going to try with this anyway. Yeah, going to pop on some gloves, listen to some tunes, and dye my hair, and fingers crossed it looks okay. Wish me luck.
What happened to us? What happened to all the love we always took for granted? Are we stranded? Is it too late? Is it too late to color feelings that have faded? Complicated. I'm waiting for an answer, waiting for a sparkle to come to ignite love. I need no second chances. I'm tired of romances without love. So where do we go when we can't find our way? I don't wanna be alone. I need you tonight and I don't wanna wait. I want you to show me the way. for granted? Are we stranded? I'm waiting for an answer, waiting for a sparkle to come, to ignite love. I need no second chances, I'm tired of romances without love. So where do we go when we can't find our way? I don't wanna be alone. So what do we do when we're lost and depraved? I need you to show me the way. 'Cause I'm a satellite around you tonight. Nothing's gonna bring me down as long as there's stars in the sky.
So guys, this is the finished look. What do you all think? Oh my god, I love it. I honestly didn't expect it to go this kind of colour, but it looks unreal. I'm loving this lilac. Putting the pink over the blue has worked so well. And yes, beautiful. I'm hoping when it fades, it's going to go like a silvery grey, and then it just gives me a nice base to kind of go a different colour other than like blues and purples moving forward. But I am loving the purple life. Also, the roots look amazing. They blend so well, because when I had my roots freshly bleached the other day, obviously my hairdresser kind of blended the bleach down into the blue a little bit and also a bit of toner. So the blend is really nice, but oh my god, it looks so friggin' cool. I love how the pink is like kind of neon as well. It'll probably fade really, really nicely. Like it's super neon there. Oh my god, it's epic. This hair is epic. Wow, what do you guys think of this look? I also love the fact that I've curled my hair as well. I'm really loving curling my hair. I use the Wicked Waver by Mark Hill with the Pick and Mix wand. Love this curler. I love it because you get lots of different kind of curls. Some of them are tight, some of them are a bit kind of like, some of them kind of look a little bit wonky, but when you've got your hair all done and all curled, it just looks kind of like messy but like so voluminous. Yeah, I love it. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Also, it looks so cute with this background and this cardigan. Sweet. I'll pop links below to the dye that I used and also the conditioner. Yeah, if you want to know how this fades, then I guess just follow my Instagram at sophiehannah, because obviously I post videos and photos daily, so you'll be able to see the fade out until I dye my hair again. But yeah, please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I will see you guys in another video very, very soon. Peace out.